In Python, hasattr checks if an object has a given attribute. Let's make a point class for the example. Class point colon x equals 1, y equals 2. Then we'll make a point p equals call point constructor. If we print hasattr of p in string x and run this code, we'll see true printed, meaning p does have an x attribute. What is the benefit to using this over regular dot notation? Mainly avoiding attribute errors when checking for attributes that don't exist. If we were to do print p.z, this would raise an attribute error as the point has no z attribute. If, however, we did print hasattr of p in string z and ran that code, you'd just see false and no error, thus indicating without error that the point does not have a z attribute. In Python, the getattr function gets the value of an attribute of a given object. Let's make an object for our example. Class person colon name equals Bob, age equals 21. Let's make Bob equals call person constructor. Let's get the elephant out of the way first. Yes, getattr is equivalent to just doing something like print bob.name. So the rest of this video we'll try to answer, so what's the point of it then? For starters, let's presume you had name stored as a string instead of just typing it for whatever reason. If you did, print bob square brackets name, you get a type error because it thinks you're trying to subscript an integer. But with getattr, you could do print getattr of Bob and string name, and if we run the code, you'd see Bob printed. Getattr allows you to programmatically loop through attributes. You can attributes equals a list with string name and string age. Then you could do for a in attributes print getattr of Bob and a. If we run this code, you'd see Bob, then 21 printed out. This would be infeasible with regular dot notation. Last, you can check for attributes that don't exist without raising an attribute error. We can do print getattr of Bob and string birthday and none. This last argument is what getattr returns if it finds the given attribute doesn't exist on the given object. This has been Jacubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.